Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. Canon Zoemini 2, compact, inkless portable photo printer. The Canon Zoemini 2 is a highly popular, compact, and lightweight portable photo printer designed for instant photography enthusiasts, travelers, and the GenZ market. Its primary distinguishing feature is the integrated ZINK, zero ink, technology, which completely eliminates the need for ink cartridges, simplifying maintenance and reducing environmental waste. Design and portability. The device is exceptionally compact, measuring 120 by 84 by 21.5 mm and weighing only 177 grams, making it highly portable for carrying in bags or pockets. It is offered in stylish finishes such as rose gold, white, and navy blue. A multicolor LED indicator provides quick visual status updates on battery level, paper load, and printing progress. ZINK technology and print quality. The core ZINK system utilizes specialized photo paper, 5 by 7.6 cm, embedded with microcrystals that react to thermal heat to generate the final image, achieving a notable resolution of 313 by 500 dpi. The prints are water and wear resistant, and the paper features a self-adhesive backing, ideal for decorating, creating personalized albums, or making stickers. Connectivity and user experience. Connectivity is exclusively managed via fast and stable Bluetooth 5.0. The full user experience is delivered through the Canon Mini Print application, which allows users to select, edit, and enhance photos with filters, decorative frames, text, color adjustments, and mosaic layouts. The app also controls essential printer settings, such as automatic shutdown and battery management. Battery performance. The Zoemini 2 incorporates a 500 mAh lithium polymer battery that charges rapidly, reaching 100% capacity in approximately 50 minutes via USB-C, and yields up to 20 prints per full charge, which is sufficient for typical sporadic use. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.